Good afternoon, everybody. Understanding isomorphs from a computational perspective. The morphs are well defined 2 or 3 dimensional crystal microporous. The porous material can be classified into three, and one is microporous, mesoporous, and macroporous. The morphs come under the microporous. The morphs have found a variety of potential application, including gas storage and gas separation, catalysis, and drug delivery. A subset of MOFs has recently gained attention because of their flexibility in their structure, which is highly relevant for gas separations. However, it has remained challenges to modulate the flexible behavior in MOFs. So the computational stimulations paved the way to understanding the original flexibility uh, of MOFs. So in this methodology, we are normally use the 4 input files in the WASP analysis for each and every operations. The very important procedure is we have to create the separate directory, because when we are running the WASP, it will create the several files. So then in order to avoid the complexity, we have to create the separate files. So the directory, I have to I have created the different directory for each and every operations. The INCA files, which is the central input files for WASP, which determines the what to do and how to do it. Like this, PODCA contains the pseudo potentials, and POSCA contains the lattice geometry, and K points contain the K point coordinates. In this methodology, run the WASP for geometric optimization at first. It will take nearly 5 to 6 days for each and every model to finish the running. When it is finished, then I create the state files, which is created during the running of WASP. Then I have to modify the WASP according to that to produce the dot spectrum. Then the spectrum was converted into PDF and saved in the computer. Here you see, these are the 4 morphs. The A is the isomorph 1, and isomorph 3, 2, and 3 and 4. So as Dr. Jagi explained in the last Monday present his talk, we can see that in the morph there are porous. In this porous, so when he explained, he saw it that there are some ball-like structure things inside the pores. So here also we can see in the 3 dimension there are suppose these pores are useful to. In these pores the gas going to be used, or when we are using these pores to separate the gas, in these pores the gas will be combined. So these are the models obtained after the geo optimization and visualized in JMO. This is the results, and we discuss after the geo optimization of this one. We obtain the density of states. This is for isomorph 1, this is isomorph 2, 3, and here is the 4. So in this 4, there so we can find it that there is some stranges. Just I want to explain my experience here. There are some problems or shortcomings occurs in the input files. Due to that only we can get the backup. Here we can see the backup, but here we can't get that one. Considering the very short time periods, I found out the problem, but I can't unable to do it again because of the time constraint. But I saw it here, but in future it will be okay. So these are the some outputs, the DOS calculations of HOMO and LUMO of isomorph 1, 2, and 3 or 4. Here the band gap energy is calculated, the energy, subtract the energy of LUMO, subtract the energy of HOMO from the LUMO. Here we can see that after the geo optimized, here that model is viewed in the WASP view. The charge density can be found in the ligands and metals. Here in the red color, which is zinc, the 8 zinc ions are here which coordinate with the ligands to form this complex, the morph. So here we can see that the shape of the d orbital in zinc. So there are 8 zinc in red color. The blue color is denoted by carbon. Carbon is denoted by blue color. The sky blue is denoted by hydrogen. The green is nitrogen. Yellow is oxygen. There's another separate view of the same figure, which is viewed in the WASP view. Here that one is for LUMO stage. The state is 561. Here we can see that the whole charge density is on ligands. another view of that. This absorption spectrum of SOM of 1. So here, after geo-optimized of this SOM of 1, here we can find it that how it will take the several shots before it reached to the final stage. But here I couldn't accumulate all sort of things because it will take then 5 or 6 minutes of view. In conclusion, the simulated spectrum shows that SOM of 1 has the transparent wide spectral range, and the analysis of partial charge density of the front orbitals confirm that the charge transfer from the ligand to metals. The band cup of SOM of 4 is 0.024, which is less compared to the other models. It can be, that's why I already explained the shortcome of that. From the available data obtained through the computational calculation, such as ionization energy or electron affinity energy, so those sort of data can be calculated through some through the different theorems like Proof-Math theorems and etc. Thank you.